Hello from Wandering WandA. I'm Ariel. We are here at KOA. Oh, I don't even freaking remember. Anyway, we're at site 127. This is our third stop. And I was here before. The sites are nice and long for the pull-throughs. I do like it for the fact that it's 50 amp. Water in, water out, and water pressure is excellent. Now for the caveat of this park. What I don't like about this park are all these frickin' trees. They need to trim or cut down half of these trees so that people who are actually RVing have some sort of signal. And a lot of us have, I think half this group has Starlink. So trees, a canopy of trees is not welcoming to me. I'm in an RV. I don't need the shade. I have air conditioning. So again, the site is nice and big, and it's not dirt. Well, kind of. They have these pebbly things down. They need to pour more of these pebble things. And the main roads are paved. Okay, as you can see, Starlink is all the way out here because this is the only clear sky we have. This little patch. So the signal cuts in and out. Where Starlink usually resides, trees. They just need to thin out all these trees. Now this canopy right here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they're not even big. See, that is a big tree. This little sapling right here is what's causing the shade. The same on the other side. It's the little saplings that need to be cut down. Now, would I stay in this site again or this park again? The answer would be no. I would not. They have all the facilities I need. However, their foliage needs to be cut back seriously. Here we are at West Point, and we're just walking the parking lot.
And people that were prominent in freeing the slaves.
Medium chocolate cone
and a root beer.
Root beer.
Root beer.
Root beer.